I used to think there were only 3 types of people in the world. The bullies, the ones who hurt, who mock, who make you feel small because it makes them feel big. And the victims, the ones who take it, who shrink and shrink until one day they look around and all they see is void. And lastly, the bystanders, the ones who see everything but do nothing about it. Just a few more hours till I can go home. You may be asking, what is that? This is known as a tic. It can be vocal or motor. Vocal meaning sounds like coughing, whistling, and throat clearing. Motor means movement, like jerking, blinking, and shrugging. When someone has multiple tics that don't go away, that's Tourette Syndrome. It's a neurological condition, not by their choice, and not something they can control. So yeah, that's what you're seeing. Get back to the video. She's so dramatic, like, right? Like, I can talk to, like, yeah, I wouldn't get anyone's attention. I don't even know why, it's just like, all that. Shut up. Terrible and cliche story. This sounds ChatGPT generated. I'll just tuck it where it belongs. Wait a minute. I've seen her face before. Where had that been? Hiya, what's your name? I'm Thea. Emmeline. Another fake person. Your kinda sounds so fake. I don't know who you are, but you better leave me alone. Huh? I just wanted to be friends, I swear. Yeah, you saw that, right? Yeah, now you're gonna leave me alone because you think I'm some weirdo who will spread you some disease, isn't that right? No, it is absolutely wrong to laugh at somebody. Well, if you don't mind, if I'm your friend, I'll definitely stand up for you. I promise. Alright, fine. You seem genuine to me. After becoming friends with her, I noticed that she uses a lot of suicide jokes. Sometimes I wonder, is she actually joking? I had my eyes fixed on the goal, which was the metal guardrail in front of me. Emmeline, please, wait! Emmeline, please! Get down from there! You shouldn't have even cared at all. You don't even know what is it like to even live like me. Emmeline, I know I may not be able to. I may not be able to. you're going through. But please, calm down. I'll be with you no matter what happens. Okay?